Welcome back to JIL Software Solutions Business Channel. I'm Selena, and I'm going to go over briefly on what are the Microsoft Azure subscriptions and how to determine which subscription is best for you. All right, if you haven't logged into Microsoft Azure portal, please do that right now. Portal.azure.com. So that's portal.azure.com. Once you've logged in and went through the authentication process, you'll be taken to your home page. Some people dashboards look a little different than others. So when you log in, if you do not see subscription at the top, and this is for any feature that you're looking for, if you go to the search box and then you just type in the word, you'll see a list of items or features that are in alphabetical order as you type. If you type in SU, it starts showing you SU features. All right, so subscriptions, you'll see it here with the yellow key. If you select on that, you'll be brought to a screen that shows you all of the subscriptions that you have. So in this instance, I do not have any subscriptions. However, if I did, you'll see them listed below. In order to add a subscription to your account, the only thing you need to do is right here, there's this little add button. If you left click on that, you will be taken to another screen which gives you a couple options, and you can drill down to see more in-depth subscription options. And so I want to talk about the first three at the top because these are the most common one. Free trial. Free, love free. We all love free, right? So if you have watched my video about the 25 or more free services that you get with your Azure account, and you also want to do the free trial, you will select offer, and then you can set up your information from there. So free trial includes all of your it is exactly what it says. It's a free trial, right? However, if you know, let me take that back. And so if you don't know what services you want to utilize, then I recommend doing the free trial, kind of experiment with the different services, determining which services is best for you. And then once you found that, and let's just say you don't want to commit to some type of monthly bill, and you just kind of want to, over a period of time, and you just want to pay as you go. I'm going to use this service, and for the time that I use it. And so this is the great thing about cloud services, is that you can pay for the services as you go. You use a day, you pay for a day. You use 7 days, you pay for 7 days. And that is one of the cool things about being in a cloud environment and being able to turn on services quickly, utilize services and features, turn them off when you don't need them, and only pay for what you use. And so that's the most important thing about the cloud environment, and that's the difference between having a cloud services versus an in-premise services. So if I had a SQL server that I actually purchased the actual hardware and it's in my premise, I'm paying for that. I paid for it. I had to pay for the maintenance. I had to pay for the updates or resources to make sure that my machine is updated with the latest patches. I had to secure it. All of those things are in premises, and I had to deal with it. And I had to know, like, what is, if I'm going to be utilizing this particular hardware at max use, I need to purchase that at max use. So if I know I need a large drive because over a period of time this is the space I'm going to use, then that's what I have to purchase when it's in-house. However, if you want to use services and using services as you need it, and this is what this cloud environment it is, and you can do monthly or pay as you go with what I'm talking about. What I like about the cloud environment is that I only utilize the services that I am using at that particular time. So, for example, if I want a website and I only want to do the website for a period of time, let's just say I'm going to do it for an event, and the event is a month event. I'm going to advertise for a month, and then after the event I don't need it anymore. I can pay for that particular time, and then I can just shut those services down. I don't necessarily have to get rid of them. I can turn them off, or I can actually get rid of them. I can start those services when I want them. If it's a SQL Server database and I have a time where the volumes of my clients are increasing, I can actually expand the infrastructure, the hard drive, the CPU, the storage space. I can extend that for that period of time. So say for instance, if I know my client volume is up because I'm retail and I sell, you know, bathing suits, and so I know during a period of time, you know, from spring to, you know, late summer, I'm going to be selling that, the volume is going to be up and I need to be able to handle that volume. You can do that with this Azure services, and you can do pay as you go. If you are a student, Microsoft does support students, and so you also have the Azure for Students. However, if there are other services, or you're a developer and you want to use the Visual Studio platforms, you want to do VMs, all of that, those are also options. So if you expand where it says all other offers, expand that, and then you can kind of go through all the list of services or subscriptions that the Azure platform provides. And you can click on check eligibility. It'll determine, they ask you a couple questions. It can check based on your profile if you qualify for particular subscription services that the Azure platform offers. So take time, go through it, select the one that you're going to need. If you don't know, I recommend you do the free trial, and so that's the best one, the free trial, to learn which services are best for you. And then once you've determined and you say, okay, yep, now I want to utilize this services, I play with it for a period of time and I want to implement it into my business environment, then you can go to a pay-as-you-go. You can also go to a monthly plan. It all depends on what your business needs at that time. So hopefully I said something to help you determine which Azure subscription you need, or how to actually get the subscription, because you need to determine which one that you need, because every company and business environment and structure is totally different. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you're on my YouTube, also below is a red subscribe button. Please subscribe to the channel. If there's a topic that you want me to talk about, please also submit that to me. If you are on my website and looking at this video, top right, the subscribe button is up there. But again, thank you for coming to JIL Software Solutions Business Channel, and I look forward to talking to you until next time. Bye.